Thank you for that. Again, apologies on my part for being so ignorant of this room. But I just used doing your buzzers and everything when we're doing quizzes. This debate appears to be going in the direction of questioning the motives. Actually, we're really questioning the motive here. But we must also recognize that within the context of the premise presented in this debate, we're talking about a showbiz industry. And like any following Almon's concept of a system, the showbiz industry is a system. And in this case, as an industry presumes a capitalist-driven system based on market forces. We're talking about, well, suppose a famous 18th century economist, we're talking about the unseen hand of the market here. And in this case, we see the unseen hand of the market forcing Angel of Sin to move from one network to the other. Now, are we going to take it upon her that it is wrong for her to do so? Are we going to deprive her of the freedom to choose where to sell her wares? Why is it so bad for people when they choose something which appears to be profitable on their part? We always accuse them of being exploiters or something that taking advantage of other people's good graces. Let us also be reminded that Angel of Sin, prior to transferring to ABS-CBN, was also considered a contract presented to her by her home network. And it appears because we live in a democratic, freedom-loving society, we should respect her freedom, regardless whether we agree with it or not. And as we all know, freedom, or the freedom to choose, could mean two things. It could be bad or good, but that is not for us to determine. It is for individual actors to determine that freedom is bad. Before I go on and start appearing to discuss my lesson for next Saturday, let me ground the debate again that we should not, again, tell Angel of Sin that it is bad because business is good. In fact, without her leaving Channel 2, we won't have this other show, well, the leaving Channel 7, we won't have this other show that we now all love to watch, which is Marimar. Again, competition, if Angel of Sin stays in Channel 7, we won't be having Marimar in Channel 7. And because of that, we have market forces steering against the unseen hand of supply and demand brought about by freedom of choice. And as we have seen, this movement of actors will actually in fact inspire our youth. What does it tell us? It means we be good at what we are doing so that when it comes to the point, that we are more marketable, we could sell our wares for those who would want to pay high products for us. Prior to this premise, there were these questions about girlfriends and cell phones, but I really couldn't relate at all. It's a reason I was not the first speaker, That's a good home for, being the first speaker. So, choice is very important, It is how we define our society, that is how we define our individuality. Whether she appears greedy or not, that is not for us to judge, because after all, what appears greedy to us could be just a common, simple management choice on her part. The concept of greed is subjective. We cannot unify the concept of greed. It depends. And in this society of ours, whether we like it or not, that perspective is how the market, although the market is not imperfect, but then again, this is showbiz industry. Thank you.